What is going on, YouTube? This your boy Endless, checking back in with another video regarding my mining shed rig that I have out here. And we're going to be making some modifications. If this is your first time here, my name's Endless. Welcome to the Endless Routes YouTube channel. We cover a lot of cool stuff over here. So hit that subscribe button if you're into mining and cool websites and just cool stuff that I do on the daily. I basically post whatever's interesting. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this. We're going to be doing some wire management today on this mining rig. As you can see here, we have all these crazy wires all over the place. And look at all this. So what I've actually done is I went on ahead and I bought this chicken feeder. Sorry for the ruckus in the back. My little baby chickens are going crazy. But we have this chicken feeder here, and we're actually going to mount this. We're going to mount it on here, and we're going to run all the wires, and it's going to look a lot better. So let's go on ahead and just show you what the before looks like, as you can see here. And then we'll go on ahead and show you the after, and we'll start it up. All right, let's get it. All right, so I actually wanted to show you what this thing looks like before we install it. This is a chicken feeder that I got, and I spray painted it. It was red. I spray painted it black, and when you open it up, you can put all your wires in here. So my game plan is to run the wires in through here, and then they should run all the way down here, so it should look nice. But I just wanted to show you what this looks like before I install it. So it's basically just a wire holder. Let's get it. All right, so we finally got it installed. As you can see down here, look at this. It's nice and clean now. There's not a whole bunch of wires anymore. And it looks a lot nicer, I will say that. So we have this box up here. And this box here, I'll show you what it looks like on top. I didn't do anything with my USB wires. These ones over here plug into the risers. But we got everything all cleaned up. And you can see the box where you run all the stuff into. So it looks pretty nice. It's pretty well managed. I'm actually pretty impressed with this because it's very hard to do wire management on a mining rig setup. Anybody out there that has a mining rig will understand what I'm talking about. So, but yeah, man, this is it. So now let's go on ahead and make sure it cuts on, and that's what it looks like afterwards. It looks a lot better. It's a lot cleaner. So, and we are back. So we went on ahead. We've got the little knickknacks all up through here. We got Woody here. We got a motorcycle, drag bike. We got Buzz. And then the best part of all, a minion and an alligator. So yeah, man, that's what it looks like behind it. It looks so nice and organized. You can see where I have the wires. I ran through them. And it came out really well. I'm not complaining, not one bit. I do not have my fans plugged in up here, and the reason being is because I have a box fan. I'm actually going to spray paint this black here in a few days, and I'll give you an update of what it looks like, but it looks pretty good, man. Everything came out really well, no complaints here, but the mining rig looks amazing. It's amazing what you can do when you get creative with a chicken feeder. That's all it is. I'm pretty sure there's other things that you could use, but all I used was a chicken feeder, and that's how it's all nice and organized. So, and I can easily get to everything because back here, these little things open. So I'm not going to open it for you, but if I need to get in there and add any wires, this will open right here. You just have to push it open. Now, I do want to show you guys what all that I'm mining. I have a couple different things that I'm mining on here. I'm not making a lot right now with rates being low. Up top, I have two graphics cards, two AMD 5700 XT models. They're mining Ravencoin on Kapow, and I only have two of those cards doing that. We're getting about 53, 52 mega hash with those. Those are the speeds, as you can see there. You can see them right there. Over here on the side, I have two 1660s. One is a TI model and one's just a regular one. And then I also have a 1070 Ti in here. So I have a total of 5 cards that are mining. Each one of these, I'm not sure what they're mining exactly, but oh yeah, MB Miner, Beam, Kapow. So, but we're getting paid out in Bitcoin. So we have those 3 cards that are running. And then the last thing is I have my CPU mining on Yes Script. I only have a little i5. It's like a 7th or 8th gen, so it's older. But I have 4 cores total, but I'm only using 3 for mining, and that's what I'm getting on Yes Script. So, but we're going to go on ahead. We're going to continue to monitor these and see how well it works, and I'll keep you guys posted. But that's just a little review of my mining rig. This is your boy Endless. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.